Did you ever buy a hair care product that everyone online is obsessed with, but the moment you try it on, it does absolutely nothing for you? Well, the problem might not be the products itself, but your hair porosity. Let me explain. Hi guys, I'm Khadija and you're watching me on Be Beautiful. Today, I'm going to explain to you what hair porosity is, how to test yours, products that work for your porosity. Let's go. So, what is hair porosity? Simply put, it is how well your hair can soak up moisture and hold to it. Each strand of hair has an outer layer that we call the cuticle. Think of it like tiny scales, almost roof tiles sitting on top of each other. Depending upon how close or open those scales are, your hair is going to respond differently. Those little scales can be naturally tight or open depending upon your genes. They can also lift over time due to heat, coloring, or chemical treatment. Fun fact, your ends are actually more porous than your roots because they're older and have gone through more rounds of styling and stress. There are three types of hair porosity: low, medium, high. They're pretty easy to understand once you have laid them out. So low porosity hair have cuticles that are tightly shut, which means that moisture struggles to get in. So if your hair takes forever to get wet, or whenever you apply product it just sits on top, or it also takes forever to get dry, that is low porosity hair. In medium porosity hair, the cuticles are loose but they're not wide open. Moisture gets in pretty easily and it also stays put. This is the most balanced hair type, which is why the hair will generally be more shiny, it holds styles very easily, and is generally easy to manage as well. In high porosity hair, the scales are wide open and sometimes they also have gaps in them. Moisture gets in fast, but it also escapes faster. So even after washing, your hair might feel dry and frizzy very quickly. This can be natural, but a lot of time it is also due to excessive coloring, bleach, or heat styling. These are three simple tests you can try at home. Remember, these are not lab tests, so they're not definitive, but they will give you a rough idea of what your hair porosity is like. Try to do all three so you have a better idea as opposed to just one. The first one is a float test. Take a clean strand of shed hair, make sure there is no product on it, and drop it in a glass of room temperature water. Watch for about 2 to 4 minutes. If it floats on top, that's low porosity. If it sinks slowly to the middle, that's medium porosity. And if it sinks straight to the bottom, that is high porosity. One thing to know, if your hair has any product on it, it will float irrespective, so make sure you're doing this on a clean hair. The second is a spray test. Spritz a little water on clean, dry section of your hair. If the water sits on top and bead up, that points to low porosity. If it gets absorbed almost instantly, that points to higher porosity. Lastly, the slide test. Take a strand of clean hair and run your fingers from the tip up to the root. If it feels smooth, low porosity. If it feels rough or bumpy, the scales are raised, which points to a higher porosity. Now we know what hair porosity is. We also know how to find out our hair porosity. So what does it mean for your product? Now this is the part that will actually change how you shop. If you have low porosity hair, go for lighter water-based products. Heavy oils or thick creams are just gonna sit on top of your hair and do nothing. My product recommendation would be the Dove 10-in-1 Deep Repair Hair Mask. Now, if you have medium porosity hair, good news. You are pretty flexible. Most product will work for you, just focus on keeping the balance. If I had to recommend one, I would recommend the Dove Daily Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. If you have high porosity hair, you know that your hair drinks up moisture fast, but it also loses it just as fast. So look for richer, more nourishing products. My recommendation would be the Dove Intense Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. Along with that, go in for the 10-in-1 Deep Repair Treatment Hair Mask. Now, if you have curly hair like I do, you can go in with this range. This is the Dove Beautiful Curls Hydrating Shampoo. It's surface-free, so it cleanses gently without stripping. For low porosity hair, a gentle cleanse means you're not making those scales more stubborn. And for high porosity hair, you're not adding in more dryness on top of what's already there. And for conditioner, go for the Dove Beautiful Curls Detangling Conditioner. It has shea butter, coconut oil, and glycerin. All of these are nourishing ingredients that help smooth your hair and lock moisture in. This is really good for high porosity hair that needs that extra nourishment, and for medium to low porosity hair, it adds softness to your lens without overloading them. Now, here's the thing, no matter what your porosity is, every type requires a gentle cleanse, so go for something that is gentle and does not strip your hair, and a conditioner or hair mask that nourishes and hydrates. And that's it. Once you know your hair porosity, it is so much easier to choose hair products that actually work for your hair. Go ahead and try those tests and let us know in the comments which one is yours. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe to Be Beautiful. I will see you in the next one. Bye.